What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt Bogosian, and in today's video, I am back in Brandon Woods in Spring Hill, Tennessee, and I'm gonna take you guys through a tour of the 2540 floor plan. So let's check it out. All right, right here is the 2540 floor plan. As you can see, it's a beautiful house, all brick. This floor plan has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and believe it or not, 2,540 square feet. It's built by Ole South Builders, and I love what they do with their floor plan names. They just name them what the square footage is. It's genius. Finally, somebody doing something that makes sense in this world of new construction. So I absolutely love that. 2,540 square feet. This home at this time is coming in right around $500,000. I'm sure it's gonna change, go up, maybe down, who knows, but it is right around $500,000, and you can pick some different options and do some different things with it. So let me step up here. You've got this nice front porch right here. Just kind of give you guys a view of the neighborhood. There's still some building going on in this section. They have a ton more lots left in this neighborhood. Let me just kind of show you guys down the street. Well, you can't see, but way down the street, I mean, they are just building a ton. They have all sorts of lots back there. I think they've got like 50 plus lots left, so maybe more, probably a couple hundred. So let's step into the house and I'll show you around. All right. So this home just had its blue tape walkthrough, and I have to tell you, I was so impressed by the paint job in this house. It was better than a lot of homes that I have seen that are well over $1 million. I love the floors that this person chose. They're a nice like mix of light and bright and airy, but they still have a little bit of warmth to them. I think that's a nice choice. I love the paint color. I don't know the name of it, but it's just really nice paint color. So you step in and there is a coat closet right here to the right of the door. Oh, this home also has the Craftsman trim package. So you'll notice over the doors, you've got like that Craftsman look. You've got this trim right here. And of course the door styles as well. Half bathroom right here. As I mentioned, this home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. I love the location of this half bathroom. Way away from the kitchen and the main living area. It is perfect. This is a real nice entryway. Right when you walk in, there's plenty of space. It makes sense. You've got a closet right there to put your shoes or your coat or whatever. Okay, so turning around. Here I am at the front door. You come down this hallway and then boom, right here to the right, you have got an office, or if you want, a dining room. This particular home is set up to be like an office. It's got the French doors on each side, but you could totally just put a dining room table here. And I believe, I just learned this, you can get this where there's just posts right here and right there, and then these 2 little corner parts would be open, so it would be more like a traditional open dining room if you want that. And then as you head this way, you get to the main living area. This right here is the living room. I mean, as you guys can tell, it is huge. I mean, just a giant room. There's tons of natural light coming in from those windows right there on the left. It still feels really open to that entryway area right there. The ceilings are tall. I don't know the exact height. I mean, I'm almost 6 feet. It looks like they're 9 feet. TV would just go right there. I mean, it's perfect. And the reason I love that, you can have your TV there, everybody just hanging out right here, and behind you is this wonderful kitchen. Look at this. Beautiful big island. This is perfect. This is perfect because this floor plan, this layout is so nice. If you're hanging out in the kitchen, cooking or doing whatever, and you've got friends or relatives over, they can be way over there in that living room area just hanging out. So here you've got your dishwasher, your sink right here in the island. This is kind of like your view if you're hanging out here in the kitchen. To your left, you've got your microwave and your oven right there. Plenty of counter space, tons of cabinets. That's your pantry right there. And then over on this side, you've got the refrigerator as well. This home came with the refrigerator, which was a nice touch. There's your pantry. It also came with blinds. That's the thing about Ole South. They will do some things that a lot of builders aren't doing. You've got blinds, you've got a refrigerator, you've got blinds between the glass on this back patio door, and they also are giving really good rates. They do low money down, $99 down. They've got 4.99% rates. I mean, double check, that can change, but at the time of this one, it was at 4.99%. This is like a little breakfast kind of eat-in kitchen nook area. So you could put a little round table right there. And then this leads you out to the garage. I'm so impressed with the build here. There's your garage, and they don't paint the garage, but it still feels really super clean, and like, I'm just impressed. I don't see a lot of like drywall mud all over the place. I mean, really nice. I see the garage door openers on top of that opener. So yeah, so this is the downstairs of the 2540 plan. I'll take you guys outside here in a minute. Let's head upstairs. Dun, dun, dun. Because upstairs is where everybody goes to bed. All right, so you get up to the top of the stairs. You've got a full bathroom right here in front of you. I'll show you that real quick. Beautiful, beautiful tile floors. I love the white with the gray in it. Nice white cabinets, big mirror. They just do the fiberglass inserts. You can get tile if you want with Ole South. Honestly, I don't know that I would. I think in this neighborhood, these fit and they're so maintenance free. I've had plenty of tile in my life. Honestly, it's a pain. I don't think it's worth the upgrade price. Okay, so to the right here, you've got a laundry room. Looking good. That's the pan for the washer. Dryer would go on this side right here. Nice little shelf up above the washer. And there's plenty of room in here too. So you come in, you can put a basket down, move it around, maybe put it on top of the dryer while you're loading stuff. Feels good. Right here, you've got one of the bedrooms. Like, not a lot to see, right? It's just a bedroom, nothing special. They're working on this window right here. They're gonna replace a mechanism on that. They're also putting a cover on that light. You got a closet there. I mean, we did not see anything on the paint in here, which was really nice. This is probably one of the better paint jobs that I've seen in my career as a real estate agent. I'm not kidding. I was looking around, I'm like, I don't see a lot of places that need tape. It looks great. This is the bonus room right here. So this is over the garage. And I mean, obviously it's got a closet. So if you want to use this as a bedroom, you can. Really nice, super tall ceilings. Just a great room. They've got the blinds in. That's what it looks like out the window. Skies are blue here in Tennessee. The grass is green. Everybody's smiling. There's your closet right there, looking good. I love this hallway, how it's got like a little angle right here. You come back here. This is what it looks like when you come up the stairs. Kind of hold that up right there. Oh, and right here, I just walked into the pull-down attic. So there's a little pull-down attic, and there's a little bit of storage up there. All right, heading on. This is another bedroom right here. So this is the second bedroom that we've seen. This is the third bedroom right here in the middle. I mean, they're just small bedrooms. Look, I mean, it's 2,540 square feet, and it's got 4 bedrooms. You got to squeeze them in somehow. But for a kid, they're going to love it. They're not going to care. There's that hallway, just so you guys get a good view of what that looks like. Looks great. And now this is the master bedroom. It is huge. The master bedroom's huge. I love it with the tray ceiling. Just a nice big room. I love the carpet too. Wow, these folks chose really nice finishes. Great job, y'all. Look at the paint, looks great. Look, I was being so picky. I mean, the paint, let me just show you guys down the It's hard to see, I know. But guys, the paint looks awesome. I'm sure there'll be some little things here and there, but dang, I've seen such bad paint jobs. I was so happy when I walked into this one. Nice ceiling fan, it's running. Just a great vibe in this master bedroom. Coming into the master bathroom, you've got a double sink, plenty of cabinets, nice big mirror. And then here behind you, you've got a stand-up walk-in shower. Check out the insert too, I love it. There's a bench, there's a place to put all your shampoo. I mean, just, you don't have to worry about grout getting all nasty. And then same with the tub. Nice tub right here, a nice window. They've got that window where you can't see through. And then a huge plus on this floor plan is the master bedroom closet, because it is giant. Holy moly, look, you come all the way over here to the left. There's a little spot over there. Let me see if I can't. I mean, it's huge, guys. Nice LED lights in here. Yeah, just really nice. There's a shot of the vanity again. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. All right, so that is the upstairs. Let's go check out the backyard on this one. Backyards have been an issue in the new home community here in Tennessee because, I mean, honestly, they just don't give you huge yards. So you're not getting a couple acres on a new build around $500,000 here in Tennessee. So just know that. Let me give you all a quick view of this one more time. So there's the kitchen. I'm moving nice and slow. Island. There's the stairs, and then the living room. Wow, just great. Nice ceiling fan. This kitchen's awesome. I just love how it's kind of in the corner like that. It's great. I have to say too, one thing, the refrigerator came with it. I thought it would be like the cheapest refrigerator. It actually feels nice. Like it feels like good quality. There's already ice being made. I don't know. I'm a warrior, and I wasn't sure what to expect with that, but it's actually a nice refrigerator. All right, let's step outside. I'm sure my camera's gonna be a little funky with the change here and the... Okay, so let me do this. Let me show y'all what I stepped out into. We have had a ton of rain here recently. So there's the back of this house. It does have a covered patio. And then I love how it's extended past the covered area so you could sit out there if you want to get a little bit of sun. Fabulous house. It is kind of a little muddy. We have had a ton of rain. So let me try to navigate all of that. There we go. So they do sod in the front and then they just do seed and straw in the back, which is pretty typical for a builder here in Tennessee. This particular home has got this hill here behind it. Honestly, guys, and there's drainage up above that. It's really not that bad because if you were level with the houses behind you, then you're looking straight into them. So it's really not that bad. It kind of gives you a nice view looking at that green grass instead. So yeah, here's the covered patio. Plenty of lighting. There's four LEDs. You got a ceiling fan right there. Just, yeah, nice. There's some outlets here. Is this an outlet? What is this? That's an outlet. Is this an outlet? And that's an outlet. So I guess you could put a TV right here. That's the idea of that. You put a TV right on the side here, which I like that. Windows look really nice. Just a good house. I'm digging it. Let me step back inside. Okay. So, all right, y'all, there you have it. My name's Matt Bogosian. This is the 2540 floor plan in Brandon Woods in Spring Hill, Tennessee. They're still building, so there are plenty of homes that you can look at to try to secure. Price ranges, 500s probably by now, just depending on what you're looking at. They might have a few in the 400s, but probably count on the 500s. They've got low rates. They've got $99 down payments. Everybody's been phenomenal to work with, so I highly recommend them. So thanks so much, guys. I appreciate it. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.